I had a pretty bad experience in my life. So when I started preparing, there was something as to what we can do, and when I got into the service, so something is like कि एक back of the mind, in the subconscious mind there is something as to what we can do. So as Dr. Pradhan told that when he approached me, then I was able to understand as to what is to be done and why it is to be done. Because that bad personal experience had made it sure that I connect with that personally. That was a sad incident in life. But when the opportunity came, definitely Dr. Pradhan approached me in 2020, February month. So I was able to connect to it immediately. Before that I had some experience for working towards eradication of Japanese encephalitis and the acute encephalitis in Malkangiri. समझते ओडिया comfortable है?
Sir.
Anybody will not understand Odia or Hindi or English because I'll take a mix of all three.
Dr. Sarva is not able to.
Hindi.
तो थोड़ा बहुत उड़िया में कुछ आ जाएगा तो
हाँ पिक्चर देख क्या है
because it will be a mix of all three.
I have seen movie in Delhi.
Okay, great.
Korea movie.
So Daman was launched in 2017, I think.
Yeah.
And Malkangiri had a pretty bad experience of Japanese encephalitis and acute encephalitis in June, July, August 2016, in which 103, I remember, 103
reported death.
deaths of children was reported, 37 from Japanese encephalitis and 66 from acute encephalitis. So that puts it into picture as to the kind of gravity which was there. Japanese encephalitis is a disease which occurs in alternate years. We had some cases in 2012, some cases in 2014, increasing trend, and in 2016 it was a kind of an outbreak. So many efforts were taken to control the disease. Finally, with a loss of 103, the then collector Sudarshan Chakravarti, he was able to control it. The vaccine was administered after the outbreak was controlled.
There was also I was there. At
Yes,
that time I was helping the Sudarshan.
Dr. Mahanti was there also.
I was there.
He was brought. He volunteered coming from Puri to Malkangiri to contribute in control of Japanese encephalitis at that point of time. After that, government took the initiative that yes, to control malaria, to control mosquitoes, we should have some public program which needs to be there. That was the genesis of Daman program, I think. In 2017, it was launched with Malkangiri. The mosquito nets were distributed throughout the district. With that, we reduced, we were able to achieve some reduction in numbers. I joined Malkangiri district in January 2018, in which we had seen the effect of LLIN to some extent. 2018, with the same efforts of ringing bells and everything, we were able to control Japanese encephalitis. There was not a single case reported in 2018. Similar efforts we had to take in 2019 because if the disease didn't occur in the alternate year, it may reoccur the next year. 2019 again after elections, we focused and with all the efforts we were able to again make it a zero. So we can say that yes, some contribution went into that and with sincere efforts we were able to achieve mostly zero number of cases. I will not say zero deaths, I will say zero cases being reported for Japanese encephalitis or acute encephalitis. So that was kind of complete eradication which happened. And then in 2020, it was again the malaria was on rising trend, API was rising. So February, Dr. Saab approached me, we said yes, something needs to be done. With that we had the, rather than the 4-year life of LLIN in which it was to be redistributed, since it was on a rising trend, so decide करा है government level रे कि rather than 4 years we should give it in 3 years. So distribution plan we chalked out. Distribution happened in March and April. किंतु देखिवा को हेले इते reduction हेला नहीं cases. So that was also the time of COVID lockdown. March, April, May was a complete lockdown. Schools were all closed. So जेतेबेले डॉक्टर साहब मते पुणी अप्रोच करले कि मॉनसून मंथ आसुची and again cases will rise, what we should do. So I don't remember the exact date. I think so it was 11th June 2020. We got a complete meeting of every department of the district administration. Our mind re kono thila ki two thoughts which I had, that our schools are free, our teachers' schools are closed for that time, so mostly we will be able to pull upon our teachers and some more departmental officers जो कि जेते स्पीड रे काम करिया कथा सेटा लॉकडाउन की अन्य जो करि पारु नांती, तो we can take their services. One basic thought which was in my mind was that जो लोक को गोटे स्कीम इम्प्लीमेंटेशन करने को दिया जाए से ही लोक को तार रिपोर्ट मांगिले आपण केते बडे भलो रिपोर्ट पाई पारिबे ना. दिस इज वन प्रिंसिपल ऑफ मैनेजमेंट व्हिच वी हैव. जहा को से काम करबा को अछि तांको आपण जेते बडे पचारिबे कि काम केमिति हैला से कहइबो काम भलो है. ता भितरे कोन डिफिकल्टी आसिला कि से करि पारला कि नाही, और इज इट हाफ हार्टेड अचीवमेंट, सेटा केते बडे कहइबो ना. So Dr. Sahab, as I remember, in what we took the report, the use of LLIN was reported to be 84%. तो जदि 84% reporting अच्छी कि लोग को LLIN use करोछन, then why our malaria cases are rising? So immediately it struck me we should have a cross verification. My experience in Khurda helped me in that. Just by cross verification of the team, ମୁଁ सेटा टेक्निक यूज करथली 2017 रे. आमे 2016-17 रे केसेस पूरा ये की देखिबा को बोलो कि हाउसिंग जते लोक को दिया जाउची तो इनएलिजिबल लोक को केमिति बाहर करियो. जदि सेही लोक जा को हाउस देबार अछि तांको ही आमे पचारिबो, आम पाखरे डिटेल्स आसीबो नाही. सो आई गॉट द क्रॉस वेरिफिकेशन डन फ्रॉम नियर बाय पंचायत इन्वॉल्विंग अदर डिपार्टमेंट्स एंड 25% लोगों को हमें वीड आउट करि पालु जो कि इनएलिजिबल बेनिफिशियरीज थे हाउसिंग स्कीम में. सेम थॉट केम टू माय माइंड कि हमें सेम जिंसो करिया को पड़िबो. आवर टीचर्स आर फ्री, मैक्सिमम सम डिपार्टमेंट्स आर फ्री, इवन फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट दे हैव अ गुड आउटरीच इनटू द विलेज. सो कंप्लीट ये डिस्कशन कला परे विद डॉक्टर साहब एंड सम मोर मेंबर्स ऑफ द टीम कि केमिति ये हबो. अजीत वाज वेरी इंस्ट्रूमेंटल इन दैट. तो ये सब नहीं कि आम डिस्कशन जो बाहर ना आम पाखरे गोटे माइंडसेट थिला कि नाउ व्हाट वी नीड टू डू. सो 11th June 2020 आमे जेते बडे बसिलु सेम इन DRDA कॉन्फ्रेंस हॉल वी हैड अ डिटेल्ड इनफ मीटिंग. एवरी डिपार्टमेंट वाज टोल्ड. ता पूर्वरु हमर होमवर्क हेई कि थिला कि कहा को आमे को पंचायत का दोछु, टीचर्स माने काम कोन करिवे, आशा वर्कर्स माने काम कोन करिवे, लाइक दे विल बी चेकिंग द LLINs यूज करा जाउछि कि नाही, लोक को मोटिवेट करिवे. दे विल बी रिंगिंग द बेल्स इन द इवनिंग, लोक को जणाइबा कथा सब करिवे. टीचर्स एंड अदर डिपार्टमेंट्स से माने जेते बडे चेक करिवा को जिवे से माने चेक करिवे. ता सहित जदि किए लोक सेटा को व्यवहार करूनी ताको टिके मोटिवेट करिवे. टीचर्स आल्सो हैव अ वेरी गुड इंपोर्टेंट रोल दैट दे आर द मोस्ट लिटरेट पर्सन्स नॉर्मली इन द विलेज. तो ताकर कथा लोक सुनंती because they are also the guru of their children. So we used their influence. Teachers manu ko convince kari ki city patha gala. So it was a mix of what we can say hame convince kalu plus we took them on board plus the monitoring system we had. So coupled with that thing we influenced upon them. Se mane kari ke dekhile since the initiative started in mid June. तो जून रो केसेस पाखा पाखी सेम थ्रू टिके कमिला. year on year from June 2019 to June 2020 there was some reduction. जो rising trend from January 2019 to January 2020, February 2019 to February 20, जो rising trend थिला that was arrested. In June only we could stop the trend and there was slight decline. And when we saw the result of July, it was exceptional. There was kind of from July 2019 to July 2020, there was a gap of I think so 60% reduction in cases. August it became around 80% reduction in cases, and for the month of September it was 90% reduction in cases which we could achieve. So ଯେତେବେଳେ ये result ଆମ ପାଖରେ ଆସିଲା, we saw that it is a successful model which has happened and this claims a wider audience to reach. So ଆମେ ସେତେବେଳେ ମୁଁ ଏହାର documentary तो ମୁଁ କହିବି ନାହିଁ, ମୁଁ documentation ଟା ଆରମ୍ଭ କରେ. I got in touch with one of my friends as to how this thing can be properly documented. Even in my mind it was to send the project for evaluation in PM's award. So national level रे ये program को award ପାଇଁ हमको पठाइबा को हैला. So we started with the documentation, के written documentation यार केमिति करिबा and how to go for the video documentation also, because showing a video in a short time also makes that same kind of impact. So with that thing, the initiative started for documenting it properly. My friend had been in the state of Bihar and Jharkhand. He helped me with the written report, and with the Vishal and Devi. They were a part of a larger team and had been interested to take up the documentation work from Malkangiri district. So we were having that kind of documentation from many more initiatives rather than only malaria. But in the meantime, mid-November, I got transferred from Malkangiri and the documentation effort जो थिला, सेटा सेठी की collapse करिगला. I had given my guides and everything. That is all another story. But once this was done, since every kind of shooting was done, I had explained the whole initiative to both the directors as to how it can be, what actually has happened on ground. So once I left the district and things were not moving to achieve a proper documentation, so they collected some more stories in the meantime, like carrying women on the sling. That is an event which happens normally in Malkangiri. 3-4 मास रे गोटे केस हम पाखरे सेमिति आसी जाए. The reason being roads were not that well made. लोक पहुँचीबे, एम्बुलेंस पहुँचीबो, तापरे 3-4-5 किलोमीटर दूर जो घर थिबो, तो सेठू आनिबा maybe just 20 houses are there in that hamlet, 4 kilometers away from the road point. तो सेठी के से पहुँचीबे, हमारो एम्बुलेंस ड्राइवर or the pharmacist or maybe the local doctor, they have always helped the family bring the patients. It's just 1 or 2 members of the family and 1 or 2 members from our ambulance team or the doctors, pharmacists. They will help bring the patient like that. So that is a story which has a value. Then the overall scenario, the scene, if you would see the movie, I'll not divulge many secrets of the movie, but each and every scene I can relate to as to from where it has been picked up. It is not, the first part of the movie focuses on the overall geography, what kind of health practices are there in the region. And the second I can relate out as to even which meeting was called on which date. So things have been like that. And mostly in the Naxal affected areas, we could not have the involvement of police department. The reason the security scenarios, but forest department officials have been able to move into that. So what you will see in the movie, the uniformed person is mostly the forest department, and in the urban areas we had the help of the police department also. So nearly everybody came on board to achieve this thing, and that's is projected as to if the government wants to do something, or we have a proper initiative or orientation and the sincerity, then how we can achieve wonderful results also. With all the initiative from contributing around 49% of the state caseload, Malkangiri was the district which was contributing nearly the half of the state caseload of Odisha. Within a span of 3 months, it became 3% of the state caseload. And that's what prompted us to move towards documentation. All the stories, and now it has come up, and with all your involvement I see that yes, even after 2 years the work is getting recognized, but and it is a good feel for all of us, but the real motive is completed when we project to a wider audience, a larger audience, ki whatever you are doing, you do it with a vision, you do it with the aim, and with proper consultants, proper guidance you have, then the results can be achieved. And if it is replicated throughout Odisha, throughout the model, the convergence which we had of everybody, if it reaches a wider audience and malaria is actually controlled within the timeline, then I see that our work achieves the culmination at that point of time. Movie might be just a milestone into that journey which is there. Thank you. And, questions if anybody would like to ask anything.